Hello. We added the character with a first-person shooter animation as a placeholder, but I want to get some sword and shield animations. If you go to your internet browser and go to Mixamo, that's M-I-X-A-M-O, Mixamo.com, you might need an Adobe account, but they give you these free animations. If you don't have an Adobe account, um, you can. I recommend getting one. I would recommend having an Adobe account. Um, We can get the Pro Sword and Shield pack. I click that. We can load up here. But we want to go. I want to go into my project. I want to go to the player character. Which character do I have equipped? I can click the browse to it. I can right click this. You go to asset actions and export it. I can sit on the desktop. It's SKHRM RAM. Save that. This is all fine. I go here. I can select character file from the desktop, which is my same character. That works. It looks good. So here's our character, Ram, an Infinity Blade character. It's free. You can get this character. Okay, so that's kind of what it does. I want to download these. FPX binary. Frames per second we can make. 60. T-pose is fine. This is fine. Let's try this. Preparing download. It'll go to my downloads folder in my browser. It's a zip file. It's 2.2 megabytes. Let's check our downloads folder. There it is. Right click this. I pay for WinRAR. I can extract here. Here's the Pro Sword and Shield pack. Control A, deselect the things that I don't want in the pack. I want to cut, add a new folder, Pro, I want to Mixamo Pro S. Maybe I can include this pack for you. And S. Animation. Try again. Deselect everything I don't want. And drag these into this new folder. There's the new folder, okay. I want to go into the engine. I want to go to animations. I'll add a new folder called Mixamo Pro S and SS anims. Let's go to import. Let's go to downloads. Let's download this folder. Import this folder. Let's actually go into the folder. Let's just get this stuff out of it. Control A and open it. Skeletal mesh. We don't. We can include that. Import the mesh. The skeleton. We can put this right on this one. So this is SK mannequin skeleton. Copy that. It's not adversaries. It's the other one. Import. Make sure you click import animations. Force front x-axis. And import all if you can. Something went wrong. Let's go back to the front folder. Try to import these again. Well, they're duplicated. I wonder. Oh, because I think it's just how the pack is. Literally Warriors characters. Go back to Mixamo. Try to download these again. Frames for 30. Set that to 30. X-Spider T-pose. Let's go to back to our imports folder. Here is the second one. I want to extract files into downloads or a desktop. Let's try this here. Desktop. Try this one animation. Import. Let's go back to Mixamo. Let's download again. Let's get original pose. Try to download this now. Let's try the sword and shield pack. Yeah, we got it. Um, let's try that again. Let's see what we did wrong. Draw sword 2. If I don't select the skeleton, what happens? It doesn't, so we need to select the skeleton. What else do we need to do? I've done this before, it's just different packs and the different animation packs. Shield sword, if I know that if you don't import animations, it won't import these at all. I don't think we need to import, we don't need the mesh, we have the meshes. So we can not import the mesh. And then just use the animation with the skeleton we add to it. Let's add all of these now. Add these all. Yes, all. I just want to overwrite and get the fresh, no mesh. And we'll end the video after this. I just want to get these animations in there, show you how to get free animations if you have. Um, show you get the Adobe animations because I suppose you do have to pay for an account. I don't know if there's a free account you can get to get access to those. Oh, we had another error. Try again. Okay. Here are all these animations. Let's look at sword and shield. Let's look at one of them. Sword and shield attack. Okay. Close that. So if we go here, we can see if we have those. We do. I want to see if there's a sword and shield idle. Sword and shield idle. Okay. And I don't want this to be playing. I want it to be like that. And see what our character does. So we don't have hands in front of us. We don't have a sword and shield equipped. But our character looks like this. That would be an idle position for our character. We got the animations from Mixamo, and that was just download FBX binary. I have 60 frames per second. I use original pose. Keyframe reduction is none. I click download. Go to my downloads folder. I unzip it. I go into the engine. I import just the files, not the folder. Just the files. You can shift click. All I do is shift and click this one, and it gets everything in a row. I can control and click. Import those. Okay, well, so I have them in here. So you saw we did. You need to import animations. You need to not import mesh. Set the skeleton. And that's all you really need to change when you import them. If you want to use these for more than one mesh, well, we can get to that. We're just saving these now. Those are saved. Okay, so the next video. Oh, so before we get off this video, I want to drag these into. So I don't have an animations folder. So I want to right click, new folder, animations. Put them in animations. Let's put all of these in a folder. Put all these in a folder called sword, shield, anims. And I moved these twice, so I'm going to click the content folder and fix up redirectors. Deletes the cookies and past file folders. Okay. We put anim starter pack and animations. We're going to clean the project up a little bit right now while we have a chance. These are the characters. I want these to go. We can. The adversaries are enemies. You can put that in a folder called enemies. Okay, we can use these Infinity Blade Warriors, the military characters. Those can be character models, so I want to put those in player character. These folders didn't disappear. I fixed cookies, I fixed the redirectors, and I tried to delete them again. Didn't work. You go into your documents, your Unreal projects, into your folder, new projects folder, into content, and you find the ones that won't delete. You delete them that way. And then over here, they're gone. Save all, save, file, save all. Okay, so that was adding the sword and shield animations and some quick organization. In the next video, we will work on adding those animations and adding functionality to those animations. Thanks a lot.